So this is the start of the vlog. I'm going to Michigan's Adventure for the first time ever today. It's my technical Cedar Fair home park because it's the closest, even though it's roughly 150 miles away. I don't know if I'll vlog at any other point other than when I get to the park. If I do, I'll put it in. If I don't, I don't. Alright, I made it to Michigan. I'm in New Buffalo rest area. And I just had to get up, walk around a little. Don't want blood clots in my leg or anything. It's good to walk around every once in a while, especially if you're driving for a long period of time. I'm in line to get in. I got here a really good time. So the line's a little long, but should go by pretty quick. There's the ring timbers. Cannot wait to ride this because I love CCIs. They're my their favorite manufacturer. All right, I'm in. Lots of stuff down, unfortunately. Sure, Timbers down, Thunderhawk's down. My Mouse is open, Wolverine Wildcat's open, Corkscrew's open. I don't know what else is. Hopefully stuff opens up. Off the kiddie coaster wasn't terrible, new for 2021. Now we're heading Zach Zoomer, another CCI.
Yeah, the only CCI here that's open right now.
Yeah.
So I think it's this way.
Well, okay, let's look at.
We just got Zach Zoomer. Not bad. Decent laterals. It stops really hard. Brake run. Like really hard. Like Altrua Orion's vlogs, Costa Rica vlogs. Like that. You stop like that. I don't know why. So, what you guys think of that stop?
The stop? I thought I was prepared, but I was not prepared. Also, that ride was the worst ride I have ever seen in my life, and I'm not exaggerating. She was awful.
Yeah.
Anyway.
She's also a supervisor too, so.
Yeah, that's even worse.
Yeah.
But actually that ride had airtime, and I did the Sky Rush method, so.
I had a little bit of airtime.
Yeah.
But not much. The laterals is where it's at. Well, we're doing Corkscrew next. Should be your typical aero Corkscrew. I've been on a couple.
It's better than Cedar Points, because Cedar Points is not fun.
I don't know. I've been on the one at Silverwood. That one's pretty fun.
That's the like OG.
Corkscrew. It wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. I like it a little better than the one at Silverwood. A little bit.
It was actually really smooth, although I'm too tall and the restraints were annoying, but like, it didn't hurt.
Yeah, it was alright. There's one moment that did make me say, ah, but that was about it. It was after the second Corkscrew. So we just got off Rolling Wildcat. What do you think?
Well, okay, so for what we're going to be able to ride today, probably the best ride in the park. No shivering timbers today, most likely.
Yeah, most likely.
But basically, if you guys have ridden Phoenix at Knoebels, this is the same layout, but you don't get airtime and it's rough. So
yeah,
it's just bad Phoenix, basically.
Yes. What do you think?
This is pretty much the equivalent of someone ate Phoenix at Knoebels and barfed it out.
I agree with that.
Well, I haven't done Phoenix, so I wouldn't know. It's the ones I've done today. It's the best in the park, but fingers crossed that shivering timbers will open. Michigan's Adventure. Decided not to get my mouse credit. I already have it. We're going to get the Hamster Wheel that's a bit north of here at Craig's Cruisers. I'll definitely be back because shivering timbers never open, which I'm really disappointed by. And Thunderhawk was closed anyways, so I had to come back and get it. So it's looking like I don't know if I'll even get Outlaw Run to be my 100th, but I could still swing it. I'm at Craig's Cruisers. I just did the Hamster Wheel twice, and honestly, the rides I've done at Michigan's Adventure and throughout the state of Michigan, that is the best one. It is so good. You do one real fast loop, then they flip you upside down and just hang you there. The hang time's insane. It's honestly the best SUV I've ever done, and it might crack my top 50 even. I have no idea, but it's so good. You gotta ride it. You gotta ride it. You have to.